Spaghetti Bolognese. It's one of my favourites. It's a favourite for millions of people around the world as well. Done right, it's a real winner. This is my version, tested over the years, and you know what? Everyone loves it and it's dead simple. This Quality Mark Premium Beef Mince is the leanest option. It's tasty, versatile and affordable. You could also try lamb mince for a different flavour. Brown the mince in a little olive oil over a very high heat. Browning is where a lot of the flavour comes from. Do it in batches. It really is worth taking the extra time for. Set aside on a plate and drain off any excess fat. Another splash of olive oil in the pan and then add the finely chopped onions and garlic. Fry these over a medium heat until they're soft and translucent. It'll probably take about 5 minutes. Turn up the heat, add the tomato paste, cook for a few more minutes until the colour changes to a darker red. At this point, if you want to, you can add half a cup of red wine. Just let it simmer away there for about 30 seconds to evaporate off the alcohol. Add the sugar, tomatoes, the oregano. Try rubbing it in your fingers first to release the oils, and the stock. Then the mushrooms and the mince. You could use fresh oregano if you like, just add it 10 minutes before the end instead. Leave it to simmer for 30 to 40 minutes or until it's reduced to your liking. This is when all those flavours develop and you get a lovely rich sauce. Now while that's simmering away, I'm going to show you a really neat trick to add some crunch to the dish. And people find this irresistible. Just toss the ciabatta crumbs and the rosemary in a little bit of hot oil in a very hot pan until they're golden and crispy all over. Season with salt and you're done. Now add the courgette and fresh chopped spinach. These vegetables make it a complete meal in a single bowl. They also add extra liquid to the sauce, so you'll need to simmer it for a few minutes to reduce it down a bit. Serve the bolognese mince on spaghetti cooked al dente or firm to the bite. Sprinkle with some freshly grated parmesan, the ciabatta crumb and some chopped parsley. Spag bowl, the ultimate comfort food, full of rich, authentic flavour, and the ciabatta crumb adds a delicious texture. Give it a try. There won't be any left at the end if you do, and that's a promise. Remember to look for the quality mark when buying beef and lamb. You can find this and other great recipes like it in Meat Magazine or on recipes.co.nz.